Good morning, students. Today I'm going to teach you some questions based on exercise 15. That's the previous class. I have explained you all the concepts on circles. Now I'll be explaining you some problems on that. Okay. It's question number 4 of your exercise 15 of your book, M.L. Agarwal. Yeah. Now just see this. It's what is given here. It's given that PT is a tangent. Yes. CP is 20 centimeters. And PT, this is PT which is 16 centimeter. This is given to you. So I'm writing here PT is 16 centimeters, PC is or CP is 20 centimeters, and we have to find what? You have to find the radius of circle. Now what you will do in this case, children, you know we have already discussed in the previous video that the tangent is always perpendicular to what? To the line from the center of the circle. Yes, now this is the center of the circle, line from the tangent to the point of contact. They are always perpendicular. Now what can you say about triangle PTC? What sort of a triangle it is? It is a right angle triangle. And whenever a right angle triangle comes to your mind, Pythagoras theorem should automatically come. Yes, so what can we call PC as? PC is the hypotenuse, whereas PT is the perpendicular, and CT, which is also the radius, can be called as base in when we talk about triangles. Okay, now apply Pythagoras theorem to triangle PTC and you can calculate CT, which is the radius of the circle. So very easy. So what have we applied here? We have just applied the concept that a tangent is always perpendicular to the line from the center to the point of contact. Yes, now if I take this perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse, you know that always the side opposite to the hypotenuse is the longest side, which yes, opposite to the right angle is the hypotenuse, which is the longest side. So 16 square plus CT square is equal to square of 20. Perpendicular square plus base square. See how we have done. PT is perpendicular to CT. Yes, children, because tangent is perpendicular to distance from the center. Now CP square, you can see in the figure, CP square is the hypotenuse square is equal to CT square. Yes, you can see CT is the radius and plus PT square, which is according to Pythagoras theorem. Now 20 square is equal to, now substitute CP as 20 and PT as 16. And you can easily calculate CT. CT square is 20 square minus 16 square. Square of 16 is 256. So 400 minus 256, which is 144. And CT square is 144. So CT will be square root of 144 is always plus minus 12. But we are here, since CT is the radius and it cannot be negative, so we neglect the negative sign and we call that CT is, we say that CT is 12 centimeters. Therefore, radius is 12 centimeters. I hope this is clear. So, which concept have we used in this question? That tangent is perpendicular to the line from the center. And secondly, we have applied Pythagoras theorem. Now, coming to question number 5, first part, children. First part I have taken here. Yes, which is, first part says that this is a circle. It's given. Though it was not named, but I have named it A, B, C and D. This was the figure which is given. And you have to find X and Y. Now we have learned in a triangle, see, AOB is a diameter. Yes, because it passes through the center. It's a diameter. And the diameter divides the circle into two equal parts. We can say that this is a semicircle and this is a semicircle. And we have learned in the previous video, what we have learned, that the diameter subtends right angle at the any point on the circumference. Yes, or angle in a semicircle. Now this is a semicircle. Yes, ACB is a semicircle. An angle in a semicircle is a right angle. So this becomes right angle. Yeah. Same way we can say ADC, ADB is a semicircle. An angle in a semicircle is a right angle, so angle D is 90 degree. Now it becomes very easy to find X, yes children. How will you find? Now look at this triangle and we know that angle sum property, that sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So 32 plus 90 plus X is equal to 180. So you can find x. Similarly, y plus 50 plus 90. Another triangle is ABD. Yes, ABD. In triangle ABD, sum of all angles 50 plus y plus 90 is equal to 180 degree. See how this is same way we have done. So which concept have we applied here? That angle in a semicircle is a right angle. How will you find it is a semicircle? When there is a diameter. Or you can say the diameter subtends 90 degree at any point on the circumference of a circle. Clear? Now see here. I have taken this. I have please name the figure accordingly. Yes, because if it is not named, it will be very difficult to tell which angle is 90 degree. Yeah. So in triangle ABC, yes, I hope you can see the figure. Angle C is 90 degree. Why? Angle in a semicircle. Similarly, x plus 32 plus 90 is equal to 180. Why? Because angle sum property, sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So from this, through linear equation, x is 180 minus 90 minus 32, which is 58 degrees. Clear? Now the next is, now same in triangle ABD, angle D is 90 degree. Angle D is 90 degree, angle in a semicircle, reason has to be written. In these types of questions, reasons are very, very important. You lose marks if you don't write down the reasons. Okay, so reason, writing down reason is very, very important. So y plus 50 plus 90 is 180. Y is equal to 180, angle sum property. Again, another reason. It has to be mentioned, why are you taking this as 90? Why are you taking this as 180? So if the reason is not there, you lose marks. So y is equal to 180 minus 90 is 90, 90 minus 50 is 40 degree. I hope this much is clear, these two questions. Next video, I'll be taking another question.